Hi everyone, I'm Paddy Donnelly and I'm the illustrator of The Big Bang, which is one of the £1, €1.50 books for World Book Day 2026. And my tip for reading is to do your reading first thing in the morning when you open your eyes. So I find it sometimes difficult whenever it's at the end of a busy day and I go to sit down and read a book. I find that I start to fall asleep after like one paragraph because I'm just so tired from all the other stuff. But first thing in the morning, you should be wide awake and you're so well rested that it's really good. It's a really good time to start a new book or to pick up where you left off. And you get to, your mind is fresh and it's a really good time to read a book. So what I would do is the night before, think about what type of book your future self would want to read. And you set that book ready beside your bed. And whenever you wake up and you open your eyes and you immediately pick that book up and start diving into it. And your mind is so fresh and has had nothing else to distract it because you haven't done anything yet. And you just start reading. And I find it's a really different reading experience to read in the morning before you do anything else. And I think sometimes whenever you're doing other stuff during the day, you start to think back on all of those amazing adventures and things that you started the day off with. And it can put you in a really good mood. So yeah, my tip is to read first thing in the morning before you do anything else.